Welcome to my review of the Vin Auto Platform, specifically DecodeThis. In this video, I'll walk you through my personal experience with this tool, what I like about it, and what could use some improvement. DecodeThis promises to be a comprehensive tool for decoding vehicle information, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, we'll take a look at the user interface. It's clean and straightforward, which makes it easy to navigate, even for first-time users. The platform offers quick access to vehicle data by entering a VIN number, which is pretty useful when you're shopping for a car or need to check the history of a vehicle. Many useful links you can find in the description. One of the standout features of DecodeThis is its detailed breakdown of vehicle specifications. You get everything from engine type to safety features. This level of detail is a huge plus for anyone looking to make an informed decision about a vehicle. However, not everything about the platform is perfect. There were a few instances where the data wasn't as accurate as I would have liked, and that could be a deal breaker for some users, especially those relying on precise information. Another drawback is the pricing structure, which might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're just a casual user. While the basic features are decent, unlocking premium data requires a paid subscription, which can add up over time. Many useful links you can find in the description. I also found the platform's customer support to be a bit lacking. Response times can be slow, and troubleshooting wasn't as smooth as I had hoped. If you run into issues, you may have to wait longer than expected to get assistance. Overall, DecodeThis offers a lot of useful features for serious car buyers or sellers, but it does have some room for improvement. If you're someone who frequently needs detailed vehicle information, it may be worth considering. However, if you're just looking for a quick check, you might find some of its limitations frustrating. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. Thank you for watching.